Open house August 29, 2026, 11:30 a.m. 1:00 p.m. Discover convenience and comfort in the heart of Lincolnton. Step into this charming, move-in ready 2-bedroom, 1-bath home, perfectly positioned to enjoy all that downtown Lincolnton has to offer. Designed with accessibility in mind, this home combines practical features with surprising versatility. The interior offers a flexible layout, including a dining room, functional kitchen, cozy living room, spacious hallway perfect for a dedicated work-from-home nook, and a kitchen featuring double pantries and a cozy eat-in breakfast area. A 218 square feet unheated, but comfortable, bonus room provides the perfect flex space, whether you need a home office, hobby room, or extra storage. Enjoy outdoor living without the hassle. The fully fenced backyard is low maintenance and features a private back deck. The covered front porch and separate patio are perfect for morning coffee. Storage is never an issue here, thanks to an included shed, a substantial 10 by 20 workshop/storage building that is wired and insulated, and a spacious 2-car covered carport with additional off-street parking. Peace of mind comes standard with a newer roof,